Before you use the sound effects, don't forget to subscribe to run out from copyright claim.
A town hall different from Blue Bulaba.
Stop shaking your head because that's sacrifice for you should stop shaking your head. You are one of those who are causing problem. They gave you chieftaincy, a young boy, so you don't even know what to do with it. And then when I'm speaking, you are shaking your head like this. Oh, fake, causing problem everywhere. You just go and wear something that's bigger than you. When somebody looking for power, you would think that an elderly person, very small young man, this man. I know when I was in school, he was running around, going for errand. Now he's wearing Osman Danfodio. Then you begin to breach a protocol. He thinks that when he's shaking his head like that, I will be happy. That's fake. That's fake.
Jesus! You can explain tire. You can explain because no evidence.
Okay, the full meaning of CV.
CV.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, CV is an abbreviation. What's the complete word?
C.
Yeah.
V.
Yeah.
Certificate. You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
Yeah, I'm a traditionalist. I'm not a Christian. So I'm also going to pray because they butchered me, they twisted my neck, they seized my phone, my money, my constitutional book is lost.
Who did all of this to you?
Those who hijacked us in the room.
Did you see them?
The so-called invisible forces.
You were there, you saw them yourself.
You were there. We were telling you, let the people get out from the room because we know the plans that the people set. Look, when you pluck a fruit, wait till it ripes before you eat. Don't eat unripe fruit. Go and ask your grandfather.
Let be poor, breathe. Don't suffocate them. We have that responsibility.
A few moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, 3 days later, 3 weeks later, many months later, 6.5 hours later, 1 eternity later, 2,000 years later, 3:28 a.m. tomorrow, day 2, day 3, day 4.
You. People wrote laws. That is not corruption. So our people are only qualified to guide pipelines. We must learn a lesson. Chidiadi, this man, rich watch and cup of tea. Oh, funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea. He went to prison. He's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Ha! Oh, Mumu know too much. Oh, Mumu know too much. You still they follow Gambari for yard. 70 years old man. Then tear gas him. They tear gas him. He fell. He fainted. He passed out. He was out. 70 years old man. I am Mumu too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man. You are a Mumu man. And then throw the tear gas. If something way part for issue. We just pray. You be Mumu, they call other people Mumu. They never show you say you be Mumu. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Even road to go to work no day. You want to please others and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. Please. The people where you please wait them. Photo. No be juju be that. You lose a prayer and say, Buhari boy, you lose Buhari prayer. Oro lose that. Bueno rula. Chitombo arebo fubo. What is it? Ari furu si temesi lakwo. And I will be sorry oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you. Even though you not give us, we see no. Even though you not give us, we see no say you be our daughter. But we hope so another defeat day you could learn.
My regards to how.
Yes, sir.
They don't they share rice.
They won't start now.
Now.
Yes.
Good. Gary no day.
Some of them are criminal. They can take your criminal. It can take your money eventually.
Really?
Yeah, for vanishing. You don't know why it's going on.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
So they don't they put my picture for credit. Hey, God, this embarrassment not too much. Oh.